So Jen and I recently worked on a project called Elite Staffing. And I remember when she first was presented the project, she sent me all sorts of pictures of just the space, and it really spoke for itself.
And they found this old industrial building that was recently developed into potential office space.
She really wanted to highlight large windows, the structure, while there were high ceilings and no actual drop ceilings, nothing you could recess into. We needed to use something that was really simple, kind of went away in the space, provided nice, even, wide distribution of light.
We really wanted to celebrate the structure of the space and let the architecture kind of be quiet, and the same thing for the lighting as well. And one of the things that I say to Colette most often is, I want the light, but I don't want to see the light. Meaning I don't want to see the fixture, I want them to be as small as possible.
So when I was presenting Jen with the 4-inch cylinder for her project, she didn't bat an eye. She's familiar with the product, the sleeker build, the conduit cover, and the industry best performance. She knew that she could space these a little further apart than your typical cylinder, and that she'd get this nice wide distribution in her space.
The Gotham fixture was the best solution for us. It was really small in scale, especially in that voluminous space. It wasn't that large, and it still performed the way that we needed it to perform. Have a direct conduit feed. It's actually a really nice feature to have instead of having, you specify this light and it has a nice escutcheon plate at the top, but then you see the galvanized box above it. And what was nice about having this integrated piece slips right over that galvanized box, so you don't see it. So it's a really clean installation.
The 4-inch family has taken off where the lumen outputs, I think we can get up to 5,000 lumens right now. And then you also have the different distributions, where I tend to specify Gotham Evos, where I like kind of like the wide distribution. It is so nice to know that we have the Incedo family too, where if we need to, have a higher ceiling and we need a tighter distribution, or we really want to focus in on the light in a certain way, we can do smaller distributions. It's a complete breadth of cylinders. There's no reason to look anywhere else.
The technology has changed so much just in such a short period of time that we're able to get a better light output and a smaller light fixture. Our client was elated. We're over the moon for this space. Love the design, love the quality of light. That was actually a specific thing that one of the clients had mentioned to me, like that just the quality of light was really nice, and I think that's really important. We spend all this time on the architecture and the design, and we want to make sure that the lighting is just as much an important player in that process, because if it's not done well, all the other stuff kind of falls apart.